Hey everybody, welcome back. You can't tell from where I'm sitting, but you can tell from the title and the thumbnail and from what I'm going to show you in 2 seconds. My room is an absolute disaster right now. The week kind of got away from me, and with the busyness of work and trying to edit and just keeping up with my life, I sort of let my room slide pretty bad, and I'm honestly ashamed to show how bad my room is right now because it had not been this bad in a long time. But there were some things that make it even more messy because I thought my dog was gonna have puppies, but turns out she was having a false pregnancy, so there's a kiddie pool in my room. Oh shoot. It's just a disaster. I washed my sheets yesterday, so that is one good thing that I accomplished. But other than that, my room literally exploded. So I have so much I need to do today, and on top of that I have some chores that my mom wants me to get done. So I need to clean the bathroom and do some vacuuming. Let's go ahead and get right into this because this is probably gonna take me so long. I feel like every time I clean my room, then my mom brings me more clean laundry and puts it on my bed. But I think the laundry's done for today. So hopefully we can get this done, get a good start to the week. I don't have anything else going on today, so I kind of want to take my time, be thorough. My clothes need to get put away. It's not the sheets, like the duvet, the top part that goes on the bed, the bedspread. Yeah, that needs to get washed. I washed my blanket and sheets yesterday. I need to pick out what to wear tomorrow. I need to clean the bathroom. I need to vacuum. So that's kind of the main rundown. I need to get this kiddie pool out of my room. So that'll all make it look way better hopefully when it's done. I'm so excited to see the before and after, but let's go ahead and get started with this because the mess isn't going anywhere, even though I wish it would while I was talking. So this will kind of be the before. My closet goes right into my bed area. Oh my goodness. And then this is the kiddie pool. So it's right across from my bed. My dog crate usually goes right here. So I'm used to having this space tied up, but like it's literally a kiddie pool in the middle of my floor. And then all of this, the dog crate is just over there taking up more space, and all of these clothes need to get put away. 99% of them I think are clean. This is some bedding stuff from when I washed it yesterday. This is all the things that I got in case she did have puppies, so I'm gonna return that today. And then yeah, just that's not too bad at the top. Those markers need to go away. And over here on the floor, I got clothes thrown everywhere. My desk is a disaster, and yeah, you already saw my bed, the state of that. I'm not gonna waste any more time talking and showing you guys the mess, so let's get to the cleaning part and you guys can watch me get this all together.
One thing I wanted to mention as I'm editing this video is that the strategy that I kind of took to cleaning my room was going corner by corner. I saw this on an Instagram reel or something one time, and it actually is so helpful. You just focus on one area, get that completely set up, and anything that needs to go to a different area just gets set aside, and you come back to that at the end. So I didn't follow it perfectly, but it is super helpful. So I started by my desk, and then you'll see I went to my dresser and like dog crate area, or I think I make my bed or whatever it is. I just kind of go like section by section. That way it's not so overwhelming and I actually focus on getting one thing accomplished.
Okay, so it is 2:47. I think I've been cleaning since around 1, maybe a little after, give or take a few breaks. for the phone. But I did get a lot done in my closet and all my clothes put away, so I'm super happy about that. I just took a break to eat lunch, which is my half-burnt English muffin, because there was nothing in the fridge that really looked convenient enough for what I wanted to eat. So there's that. I'm gonna eat my lunch now. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go back into cleaning. I'm not gonna get distracted anymore. I'm going to start on the vacuuming, and I think then after that, the biggest thing now is doing the bathroom for my family. So I'm super excited. I'm getting pretty close. So I'm gonna eat this quick and then go finish that. Okay, we are back in my room after I ate my lunch. I'm still actually super hungry. I kind of knew that the English muffin wasn't gonna cut it, but that's okay. We have made so much progress. I'm so excited to show what it looks like now. I'm so happy to have it cleaned up, to have that crazy kiddie pool out of my room. After eating my lunch, I do not feel like getting back to cleaning. It's just such a drag, but we're almost there. I'm gonna try to push through the last little bit, at least get it vacuumed, and then probably shouldn't take another break. I don't think I deserve another break, but maybe I'll take another break between finishing my room and doing the bathroom. I don't know if I'll include that in the video because it's just sort of like cleaning the bathroom. I will definitely show you guys what my room looks like after. Let's get this all finished up before I decide to take a nap. So my room is officially done. I just pulled out my bedspread from the dryer and put it onto my bed and got the pillows and everything set up. You can kind of see it peeking out right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the final reveal. Thanks so much for sticking around through the video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, to my 10 subscribers that I had at the time of filming this, thank you guys so much. You have no idea how excited I am. Just over 10 subscribers. That's 10 more than I've ever had in my life. I'm so happy, so thankful. If there's any videos that you guys specifically want to see, please leave it down in the comments. That's the perk of having a small channel. I can read every comment, and I'm really excited to see what you guys have to say, what you want to see, what you're interested from me, and I will do my best to make videos that you guys want to see. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you in the next video.